Are you a millennial or Gen Z struggling to make ends meet? You're not alone. There are several reasons why younger generations are facing financial challenges today. One major factor is student loan debt. Many millennials and Gen Zers have taken out loans to pay for their education, leading to a significant financial burden. Additionally, stagnant wages and the rising cost of living make it difficult for young people to save money and build wealth. The gig economy has also played a role, with more young people working temporary or freelance jobs without benefits or job security. On top of all this, the COVID-19 pandemic further exacerbated financial struggles for millennials and Gen Zers, with many facing job losses and economic uncertainty. So what can be done to help younger generations achieve financial stability? Advocating for policies that address student loan debt, raising the minimum wage, and providing more job security are all steps in the right direction. It's important for millennials and Gen Zers to educate themselves about personal finance and budgeting to navigate these challenging times. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on financial literacy and economic empowerment.